This will be an unboxing of the MacBook Pro 2018. Now I bought this from B&H.com because of no tax, some battery warning information there so you can see. And then I believe this one also has the tag or the label. See if you can read that right there. Don't want to hit my camera, but take my blade and let's open this guy. There we go. True unboxing. Obviously, this is the first time me seeing the MacBook Pro 2018. Join me along with the ride. There you go. And let's see, okay, here it is. Aha! Nothing else in this box. It's empty. Let's see, throw this to the side somewhere. And this is it. MacBook Pro 2018. Now this one is the 2.6 gigahertz i7. Didn't get the i9. Saw a bunch of videos regarding it overheating, etc. Now I know Apple did push out an update, so it'll run a little bit more consistently, but in this chassis, the i9 is not running at its full potential. So to me, I looked at it as diminishing returns, not really worth the extra $400 that you pay for that chip. So decided to go ahead and go with the middle spec model, space gray, 2.6 gigahertz, 16 gigs of RAM, has the 560X graphics card, 512 gigs of storage. The other option I was considering was to custom build one, get the base model at 2.2 gigahertz, but upgrade the graphics card to the 560X, 32 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, but they didn't have that in stock. I had to wait like 7 to 14 days. Didn't really feel like waiting, so decided to just go ahead and go with the middle spec model. Some more information there. Let's see, MacBook Pro. And let's cut the box, shall we? Where's my blade? Let's see, let's get this stuff off. And let's make an incision here. There we go, should be enough. Rip the plastic off. Throw that to the side. And here we go. And here's the laptop, front and center. Got this tab right here. Put this to the side for now. Ooh, nice and light. I think it's about 4 pounds. USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable right here. Put that to the side. And in here, sort of pamphlets and stuff. Take a quick look. Should have your Apple stickers up in here. There you go, your Apple decals. I don't know if you can see that. Put it on your friend's Dell XPS 15. And some more info here. Nobody really reads. Put that to the side. And this is the 87 watt charging brick. Cool. And that's pretty much it. Put that to the side. And let's see. Let me smell this real fast. Okay, doesn't really smell like anything. Here we go. 2018 MacBook Pro. Here's the bottom, so you can see the 4 rubber feet. And let's open up the computer. Whoops, wrong way. And let's go. Take this off, and the computer's already turning on. Let it boot up. Now my camera angle here might be tough to see, but it says choose my language. And here it is. Now let me go ahead and change my camera angle so you can see.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Will do, but first let me change the camera angle. Be right back. Click on English and go down to next. United States, which is where I'm at, continue, and US keyboard layout. And let's see, where is my Wi-Fi? Should be here somewhere. That's me. Type in my password, click continue, connecting, and we're just not going to transfer anything for now. And I have to enter my Apple info, agree to this, agree to that. Go ahead and choose an image here. Which one should I choose? Set this up later, continue. Express setup, I'm gonna continue this. This has enable Ask Siri, which I will actually disable for now. Continue. And then store in iCloud, not for now. Touch ID, this should be interesting. Place your finger, go ahead and place my finger here, and let's go. There we go, nice and fast. Touch ID is ready. Continue. Set up Apple Pay. Continue. True Tone display. Sure, I'll just leave it on for now. Setting up your Mac. Setting up. So this should be it. And we are in 512 gigabyte model. Out of the box, we get 477 gigs. See, where's my 2015 MacBook Pro? I'm gonna go ahead and get that out and let's do a side-by-side comparison real quick. Be right back. All right, so I have the two MacBook Pros here. 2015 on the left, the brand new 2018 on the right. So the 2015, some of you might consider the unicorn, the last one with all the ports, as you can see right there, your legacy ports on each side. So obviously the 2018 keyboard's a lot different. Much flatter keyboard, although Apple said that they fixed the issue by putting a little membrane under the keys so it doesn't get stuck with dust, etc. And this is the chiclet style keyboard. Very reliable keyboard, it's been proven. So let's go ahead and do a quick typing test here. Okay, I like the way that feels, not bad. And let's compare that right now to this style keyboard. A lot flatter. Okay, there we go. Okay, now the noise, to me, I don't really see that much of a difference. Now they're saying that this keyboard, the 2018, is actually a little bit more quieter than the 2017 and 2016 models. I don't have that with me, I have the 2015. Let me know which one you thought was quieter, but definitely a lot less travel here on the 2018, a little bit more of a clicky feeling here on the 2015 model. So overall, I do like the way the 2018 feels. This one does have the larger trackpad. Comparing the builds real quick between the two, this is the 2015, this is 2018. I think dimensionally, the 2018 is a little bit smaller, as you can see. Now both have the 15-inch displays, and also I think the 2018 is a little bit thinner, so I'm gonna do it like this, and let's see, take a look for yourself right there. 2018 a little bit thinner. 2015 has all the ports though, which is very nice. Gotta live that dongle life now with the 2018. And also 2018 model is a little bit lighter. I think they're saying this is 4 pounds. So put this one down, and comparing how it feels to the 2015, this one is definitely the heavier laptop between the two. With these new MacBook Pros, this 2018 in front of me, unfortunately you have to live that dongle life to connect anything to it, as you only have the 2 USB Type-C ports on either end. Still has the headphone jack though, which is nice. So I bought some accessories to kind of help with that problem. So bought this multifunction OTG card reader to read my SD card. Now this company, I can't pronounce that. It's called Vogek, V-O-G-E-K. Throw links to these in the description down below. So let's unbox this real fast. And in the box, you get the card reader itself, if I can get it. see. Here's the user manual. Pretty sure I can figure this out. Card reader itself, as you can see. Branding right there on the front. And this is where you put in your SD card. And if you have a micro SD card, that's where it goes. And let's see. I believe these pop off, right? I think. Let me go behind the camera real fast. Yes, it does. This pops off. This is your big USB. And if you have the old style USB, the small one, this thing kind of folds down. And there you go. If you can see that. Pretty crazy looking, actually. And then on the other side, this is your USB Type-C. So this is the end that plugs into the MacBook Pro. So let's see, do I have an SD card? I do. There's a micro SD card inside the Samsung adapter. So I'm gonna go ahead and just insert this. I think it's this way, or is it the other way? The other way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the camera. Insert it in the port. And on the screen, it should read it. So you can see right there on the upper right. Double click on it. And these are the files, as you can see. Click on Android, data, and here's all the files. Very cool. And so now one more accessory. If you have a USB stick like this one, has the Type A USB port, or just this huge one. Obviously you cannot connect this directly to the MacBook Pro. So I bought this adapter by NecTech. So we'll unbox this right now. Take a quick look at this. And I'll throw a link to this in the description down below. Got everything from Amazon, by the way. This one's pretty cool. You get 2 of them. And what is this? Attention, sign up for 6-month warranty extension. There you go. And this is the dongle itself. You get 2 of them. Some branding here. It says NecTech. Super speed, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the other side. So this is my drive. So then this goes in, and then take my camera, and then this one will go in this end. There you go, and it should pop up. There you go, it just popped up so you can see. Double click on that, and here it is. So all the contents of the disk, very nice. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you think about the 2018 MacBook Pro. If you have a 2015 and older MacBook Pro, the non-touch bar generation, are you gonna go ahead and keep that one and stay with your ports? Or are you gonna upgrade to the 2018, or if you wanna save a little bit of money, maybe the 2017 or 2016. Although for very similar money spent, I highly recommend getting even the base model 2018 model, which will outperform the top of the line 2017 MacBook Pro spec'd out. That's what I would do personally if you're gonna spend $2,500 or so. Anyway, get the 2018. Thanks for watching. Peace out.